Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your device records location with each picture. Enable location and set accuracy to high accuracy, then open the camera app and turn on Save Location or Geotagging. Grant the camera app permission to access location when prompted, because without that the EXIF tag won't appear. Once done, take a clear test photo outside or near a window so the GPS lock completes. Check the image info to confirm coordinates are present and timestamped correctly. Next, verify the camera wrote GPS data into the photo's EXIF header. Use your phone's info panel or a desktop EXIF viewer to check GPS latitude/GPS longitude, timestamp, and altitude. Make sure the time zone and clock match because mismatches shift location context. If accuracy is low, allow a longer satellite lock or enable assisted GPS. Once done, use a trusted geotagging app to convert coordinate formats or batch correct multiple files. That lets you standardize metadata before mapping or sharing. Finish by viewing images in a mapping app to confirm pin placement. If a photo is off by more than 5 to 10 meters, manually adjust coordinates or retake the shot with a better view of the sky. Backup original files, then export copies for sharing and remove EXIF when privacy matters. If something goes wrong, no GPS tag, toggle location, restart the device, retake outdoors for a fresh satellite lock, or apply a manual geotagging tool to attach accurate coordinates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.